If you're interested in going solar, Harvest Energy is the leading provider of solar power solutions for residential, agricultural, and commercial customers in the state of Michigan. Harvest the power of the sun. Go green, go solar with Harvest Energy Solutions. Touchdowns taste better when they are a Wendy's free fry touchdown. Every time MSU scores one or more touchdowns in a game, you score a free small fry at any participating Lansing Jackson area Wendy's, just for asking. Offer good after the game through the next day. Time now to announce this week's winner of the Family Farm and Home Neutral Max Pet Food Spartan Pet of the Game contest. Congratulations go to Malibu the dog and owner Tristan Vincent of Reed City, Michigan. Malibu has earned Tristan 2 tickets to the Rutgers game, plus a chance for the grand prize of 5 Rutgers tickets and a $150 gift card from Family Farm and Home. Enter today at facebook.com/Family Farm and Home. General RV and the Mitten States are giving Spartan fans an opportunity to win the ultimate tailgate package for the Spartans' home football game against Ohio State on November 10. To enter, log on to msuspartans.com/ultimate tailgate or visit FanFest on the west side of Spartan Stadium prior to home games. General RV is the nation's largest family-owned RV dealer with 6 Michigan Super Centers. They're also Michigan's premier full-service dealer. Join the General RV family today. The Fieldhouse in beautiful downtown East Lansing, serving delicious food, drinks, and Spartan spirit before and after the game. Break your ticket stub from today's game to the Fieldhouse and redeem it for half off any specialty pizza. The Fieldhouse, located on Ann Street in downtown East Lansing, proud longtime sponsor of Michigan State Athletics.